Electrician killed in Las Vegas. Jesus Christ, dude. Well, here I go. Let's fucking get out of here.
Including your own, as the new head of the family business. I'll be about $1 million April 14th.
By now, you know that sound. It's the sound of the Home Depot.
Not my Bondo.
Sides are confronted with circumstances that there are no metrics for. There is no data on how you deal with this. They have to learn. They have to experiment, and then they have to look at the data afterwards. The problem is in this conflict, in the experimentation, in the
The most technical one, I guess, is kind of a statute of limitations argument, right? So the statute of limitations is the time in which prosecutors can bring charges. You know, they have an expiration date. And his lawyers say that these charges are long expired. Now, on the...
The trouble is, it's all the wrong type of food, isn't it? Oh!
Ooh! Wow!
Crikey.
And then he just working for Chipotle to there you go. Well, you're welcome anytime.
Really? Okay, do you have...
All racial customers. I want to see the video first before we start. But, I mean,
What the
basically
fuck?
They could say it's OG head of dark government. The young member said he spoke with the United States law enforcement as a sinister force designed to suppress its citizens and keep them in the dark.
Fuck you, dude.
Ranted about government work. So,
Fuck you,
I
dude.
guess it's not even necessarily fair to say it's really cloud chasing. I think
professional way so that they will not get in trouble with anyone. And especially not get in trouble with the law. Because we knew that they were against us. You know, they wanted to do everything they could to have the surveillance. So
What the
we did.
fuck?
Now there's a stupid ass motherfucker on the shoulder. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Fuck traffic. Fuck traffic.
The king is dead. Long live the king, eh? Clyde the First has a good ring to it. No, it doesn't. All hail Clyde the First, king of...
Bro, what? Don't y'all see these fucking signs out?
Yes. And he would like lean in to check in on you. Oh yeah. Well, my wife, when we got there, my wife went to take a shower and the door was slightly ajar. And he just burst in his suit and tie, 6'4". Yeah. How's that right down?
too highly of yourself. And this is what comes. A jade would have sensed my approach when I returned to camp. A jade would have felt this fellow coming. Robert, help me, please.
Oh my goodness, touch the ground, buddy. Oh my God.